So it's no secret, one of my favorite techniques is using crawler harnesses. But one thing to me that I always thought didn't make sense is we're using a night crawler to try to imitate something that it's obviously not. And let's face it, a walleye has probably never seen a night crawler a day in its life. And it's just one of those things where, to me, the attributes of a night crawler and why it works is it's very fluid through the water and it has scent. But one bait I've been working on for a few years here is a gulp bait. Now this is the Korey Spinner Rig Crawler. It's in a 7-inch version. It will also come in a smaller scaled down 4-inch version. But what I tried to do is create a crawler that had everything it needed to for what I thought. And so I went with a full body where your hooks are gonna be. You know, if it's a treble hook or a double or triple octopus hook. But after that, it's super thin because this is where I wanted all the action to be. And not only having the action, I wanted the tail portion of this to collapse. The one thing a lot of times the hard-bodied worms or even a stiffer one is when that fish comes behind it and turns its head, a lot of times it kind of pushes it to the side and you don't get those hookups like you want. I wanted this to collapse on those bites, but not only collapse on those bites, but when you're dealing with surging waves. And so what I did here is try to create the best of both worlds for, you know, maintaining the hooks in it and also maintaining the maximum action. But one of the biggest things we could never do with a crawler harness with the crawler is change colors. And this is one of the things that I'm most excited about, because now imagine having, you know, clears and glitters and purples and things like that behind our crawler harness. Obviously not like a night crawler shape, because to me that does nothing, especially for the Great Lakes fish. And a lot of times we're putting a crawler on in dirty water. Maybe it's a slow turn hook. So to me, I'm super excited about this. I've been working on it for a long time and done a lot of testing on it, and obviously you may have seen it on a show. But to me, I've been super excited about this, and I can't be more than happy with the way that this bait has turned out.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.